Welcome to the channel on the surf. Here is the family, Sandra, Hector and Jack. My name is Jimmy and we are the family that lives on the surf. This is the new replacement LEDs for the spotlights in the toilet. Those one, the original are 15 watts each, so total 30 watts. Basically no lights at all. These ones are 2 watts, equals to about 20 watts in standard old standard lights, and you can run them on both 12 and 24 volts. I will leave a link down below to these. I bought a pack of 10s since I have the same old lights in the caravan. I'm gonna switch those out as well, but let's start with these. Whoa! A lot better. Oh yes, a lot better. So let's try and put these back together. Ta-da! Yeah, 1,000,000 times better lights. And yeah, those new LED lights are, they work on both AC and DC power, but still 12 volt to 24, so you can't hook them up to your normal house 110 or 240 volts system. But yeah. Yeah! I'm really impressed of those little lights. So now the head is 100% done. Yeah, I'm gonna replace that and make new roof panels next year, because I'm gonna do the roof in fiberglass and I don't have the time to do that this year, and it works, it's not damaged, so it will stay on this season as well. But yeah, there it is. And now we can shower and everything. So now it's just to clean out the boat from all stuff. But I will wait until I can get help from Sandra with that. And yeah, I've ordered new lights. One there. I'm gonna put one there as well. And I'm gonna switch out these two as well. And it's gonna be a new modern version of that LED, and with an USB outlet as well on everyone. So let's wait for those. The LED bulbs for these two and the back are on the way as well. So yeah, it's coming along. Yep, here they are. And let's see if I can remember this correctly. This is BA15D. That means the BA, I guess it stands for that anyway. You see these two notches? That means it's a bayonet fitting. You just push it in and twist it. The D at the end means it's double, positive and negative. There are also a very similar lamp that's BA15S. That's with just a point in the center. That means the positive is in the bottom and the negative is the side. And then there are also BAY, and that means, as you can see, let's see if I can get this to focus. You can see these notches, they are horizontal, so that means you can put this in, twist it, and it fits, and you can also turn it 180 degrees and put it in, so you can reverse the polarity. And the BAY, they are not horizontal. One of them is moved up a bit, so you can only put it in one way. So there are BA15S, BA15D with 2 poles, and BIY15S and D. Links are down below, so you have to check which one you have. But let's replace these. And yeah, these work with both 12 and 24 volts. So let's see. Let's have some power. And let's do the other one. Perfect. And let's see, these old ones are 25 watts, and I don't remember what the wattage was on those. I'll show it here, and we're gonna save a lot of power just on those, but I'm gonna keep these two as a spare since they are working. Not that it should be needed. So right now we have new LED, and yeah, both of these were 3000 Kelvin, so they are considered warm white, and these are 3000 as well. I'm guessing those are more as 4000 Kelvin maybe. 6000 is really white, so-called cold white, but yeah, they are warm enough. So now we are just waiting for the new LED spotlights to replace that broken one, and the light bulb for the aft cabin. All the links to these items are below, so just follow those. And for the BA ones, make sure you get the right one. So be back in a bit when the rest of the LED lights has arrived. Yeah, back in the boat, and yeah, Sandra wanted more cushions on top here, so of course she got that. One more project done. Quick, easy fix. It's cold white, but it was the only one I could find that was the correct size and in 24 volts, so I have to live with that. This is gonna be quite interesting to open actually. Where's it? Yeah, it's from China. You can tell by the package. This Chinese plastic. That smell you can recognize a mile away. With a real on-off button, USB outlet, 10 to 30 volts. Most of these you can find online. They are touch dimmable on-off flimsy things. So I ordered this directly from the manufacturer in China with a real on-off button. I will leave a link down below, and yeah. This was actually delivered to me faster from China than this from Amazon. So yeah, don't be scared to buy stuff from China, but do your research. Or just use my links down below. I really love these tools. As you can see, it's impossible to get a screwdriver in there, so When I was younger, I was always wondering, why does these exist? A screwdriver is much better. Yes, it is, when you can get the screwdriver on. But yeah, now it's there. And the USB port for charging the phones or tablets or whatever. Yeah, so now we have finally got the last LED bulbs. This is the same model as these ones, but these are, I think those were 4 watts and those were 2 watts. I'm tired right now and it's insanely hot, so my brain doesn't work, but so finally all lamps in the boat are switched to LEDs. I have a couple more of those spotlights I'm gonna add here in front somewhere when I've mounted back the shelves. But yeah, now the boat is totally LED converted. We have saved a ton of power, and we even got more lights, more lumen. So we have a brighter boat with a fraction of the consumption. And yeah, I've got a new toy that I've been playing with, a shark plotter. BG Vulcan 7. There will be an episode about that, or at least a part of the episode. But that's for now. And if you like this content or want more content, jump over to my Patreon account and join the Patreon family. And as usual, down below there will be links for these LED bulbs and even the spotlights, and links to my PayPal account, to my Amazon wishlist, and to my Patreon account. So if you want, jump over there and join the Patreon family. So stay tuned, like and subscribe. See you next time.